Hey everybody, and welcome back to your next cast. Thank you so much for checking out another episode. My name is Titus. If this is your first time to the channel, we appreciate you stopping by. Definitely drop us a comment below and let us know you stopped by. I am out here on a beautiful Saturday morning / almost afternoon. The goal today is to catch a fish on the Jackhammer Chatterbait. Now, I haven't fished this bait much this year, but when I have been unsuccessful. So today I am going to get the skunk off of this lure. Give you up close on that. Got a nice curly tail on the back of it, so I don't know how long it's going to take, but we're essentially just going to cast until it happens. So here we go. Well, it took a really long time. We got our first chatterbait fish of 2023 right here. Very first one, not a big one, but we got him. It took a minute, but I'm glad we hauled him in. So thank you for checking that out. I appreciate it. Hope you have a good day and a good night. We'll see you next time.